Okay, so test station for GR6 trans. It's still going through its testing phase. Control panel, and we have a core trans currently on the unit for testing. Okay, go ahead and turn it on and we'll run through the gears. What gear was that?
That's first gear.
Alright.
That's neutral again. That's reverse. And that is fourth. That is second. Okay.
Okay. So basically these LEDs down here in blue show where
These are
the pistons are located.
Yeah, position of each piston in the valve body.
Okay.
And this is line pressure, and then each clutch pressure.
Can we get it up to full line pressure on the clutch?
Yeah, we can shift into, let's do third gear, and then
Ooh.
So it might not have enough line pressure to do fourth right now, but
Okay.
yeah, I think it's because certain gears need more pressure to go into gear. So let's do first gear, and so there's first gear completely engaged, clutch pressure, and you can see the disc moving at full first gear, so you can't stop it, it's fully engaged.
Okay. So yeah, essentially there's still some bugs in the system, but we just need to get a motor with a little bit more power so we can get the line pressure up more and be able to feed more pressure to the clutches and really run it through its paces. But at least it's a start. It seems to be working, and it was a pretty complicated build here, but that's it.